Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by testing and measuring because precision prevents surprises. Do a strand test and 24-hour patch. This confirms tone and sensitivity. Once that's done, mix dye with developer. Use 10 to 20 volume for slight lift, 30 for more measure exactly. Section hair into 4 clear quadrants, clip each. Apply color to regrowth first. Hair near the scalp processes faster due to heat. Move methodically so saturation is even, and make sure to comb through for uniform coverage before timing. You now focus on saturation and watching the clock. This is where color takes shape. Once roots are coated, push product down to mid-lengths. Ends are drier so they need less processing. Massage each section to spread pigment, then smooth with a comb for consistent deposit. Make sure to set a visible timer and check a test strand at 2/3 of the time. Adjust if it's not lifting evenly. If using foil for highlights, remember added warmth speeds lift, so reduce time slightly to avoid brassy tones. You finish by rinsing and setting the final tone so color lasts and looks natural. Once processing is complete, rinse with lukewarm water until it runs clear. Do not shampoo unless your kit says to. Apply toner to neutralize unwanted warmth. Follow the toner's exact time because overtoning dulls hair. Condition deeply, towel dry gently, and style. If results are uneven, one key troubleshooting tip. Perform a color glaze or midshaft filler to balance porosity before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.